Hello students, myself Sudhakar Tiwari. So today I am going to teach you all about how to change person or pronoun in narration. So before we start, we need to know what is personal pronoun and what are its type. So personal pronoun is a kind of pronoun that relate to a person. So we have three types of personal pronoun: first person, second person and third person. Now all these three types have its case: nominative case, which is also known as subjective case, then objective case, then possessive case. We have singular and plural also. So for first person pronoun we have singular: I, me, my, mine. So I is used as nominative, me is used as objective, and my or mine is used as possessive. We have we, us, our, ours. It is also in first person, which is used for plural. Now in second person we have you, which is used both as singular or plural. So in nominative we have you, in objective also the same word we need to use, then our or ours. In third person we have singular he, she, it, objective him, her, it, then possessive his, her, it or its. Now for plural we have they here in third person, and its objective would be them and its possessive would be their or theirs. So whenever we are having this type of word in our narration, means reported speech, so we need to change these words while changing direct narration into indirect narration. So for changing these words we have a very specific rule, which is known as SON. So S is considered for subject, O is for object, and N is for no change. So if we have first person pronoun in reported speech, we need to change that according to subject of reporting verb. If we have second person of pronoun, we need to change it according to the object of reporting verb. If we have third person of pronoun in reported speech, so it will remain the same. We will not change it to any other pronoun. Okay. Now let's have some example to make it more clear. He said to me, I am going to school. Now just see, in reported speech we have I, which is a pronoun. It's first person pronoun. So according to our rule, it will change according to subject of reporting verb, means according to he. Now just change. He told me that he was going to school. Now you just see, in place of I have written he. So though the pronoun will change according to subject, but the number and the case will remain the same. We are changing in the tense also. You can see in direct narration we have present continuous tense, but in indirect narration we are changing it into past continuous tense. So all the changes of tense will remain as we have discussed earlier. Now the second example, Ravi said to Mohan, I will not teach you anymore. So we have two pronoun here, I and you. So I is first person pronoun and you is second person pronoun. So I will change according to Ravi and you will change according to Mohan, because you is second person pronoun, so it will change according to object of reporting verb, and I is first person pronoun, it will change according to the subject of reporting verb. So just change it. Ravi told Mohan that he would not teach him. Now you just see, in reporting part we have Ravi and Mohan. For both we can write third person pronoun he. So there is a doubt which he would be for Ravi and which he would be for Mohan. So to make it clear, you can also write their name with pronoun, just like I have written here. Ravi told Mohan that he would not teach him. So in bracket you can see I have written Mohan. So to whom he would not teach? Mohan anymore. So Ravi told Mohan that he would not teach him anymore. Now next example, he said, Ravi, you are not selected. So you just see we have you here, which is second person pronoun. It will change according to the object of reporting verb, but in reporting part we don't have object. But in reported part you just see we have Ravi, which is a nominative absolute which just work like an object for reporting verb. So here we are just changing like this. He told Ravi that he was not selected. So now Ravi is here as an object. Then after another example, he said, you are my brother. Now here we have second person pronoun, but we don't have any object, neither we have any other word which can be just like object. So here we need to assume whatever pronoun you are going to assume, you can assume, and according to that you just change second person pronoun. So here I'm assuming that the subject is telling something to me. So he said to me, just like I'm assuming here. So he said that I was his brother. Now you can just think, if I am somebody's brother, so it was earlier also and it is now also. So although we change tense according to the rule that I have given you earlier, but if the condition is still exist, so there is no need to change in tense. So if I am still his brother, so I will just translate this like this. He said that I am his brother. Okay. So one more example. He said to me, she is going to school. Now we have third person pronoun here. So as we know that third person pronoun will not change. So he told me that she was going to school. Now this is all about pronoun and its changes in narration.